Hello everybody, I am Professor Hart Toot Toot, and today we're going to continue our Sustainable Science Class. Day challenge is compost. If you don't have a big jug like this to use for your indoor composter, you can still do an experiment with a plastic container like this that is see-through. Sometimes we get these when we go to get deli food. They're not the best thing because they're plastic, but if you have one, at least we could reuse it. They have a cover that will be secure, so you could do the experiment with one of these and still see through. I found this weird little top, and if I put it into here, I could still get that top bottom effect, and I would be able to see if I get any compost tea at the bottom. So here is something you can do if you don't have the big jug. And use what you have, and here's another option to use what you have. Okay, now let's take a look at the mini composter, and we'll do another experiment. I did put a second layer in there with the holes. That is something we don't have to do, but we might want to catch the compost tea. I put holes in our lid, so that'll go on later. And now let's put some things inside. Let's start with some eggshell. We'll do a cinnamon tea bag, some orange rind, some carrot tops, zucchini top, some brown paper bag we shredded. Let's do some more carrot top greens, potato skins, eggshell, greens from my salad, eggshell because it's fun to crush them, some more paper bag, a potato, carrot, little onion, little brown paper bag, some more old cilantro, and potato. Do another cinnamon tea bag. Do some more cilantro. We need a leaf design to decorate our mini composter. We have the bottom area where we could get some tea. The top is filled with our eggshells and cilantro and potato and everything else we put in there, cardboard and paper. So that is the easy mini composter. Here is our cover, and what I'm going to use for this is I just cut out a piece of handy wipe. These are reusable, and I'm just going to glue this on. I'm just going to add a little glue, and now I'm going to put on our fly screen or our bug screen. We'll let that dry, and then we'll put it on top. That's it for our screen. And we're gonna put it on top, close it, snap it down, and there you have it. A very easy mini composter. And we will check back next week for an update and see if we have any changes. That is the end of our compost class for today. It is time to close the library, and remember, when the Earth's heart is happy, our heart is happy.